Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car has 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you also get rear parking sensors. Inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 18,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.